Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a JTOH kit in Roblox Studio. This process involves several key steps to ensure your tower functions correctly. We will cover everything from importing the kit to configuring essential game settings, making sure your custom obby is ready for players to enjoy. Let's get started with the initial setup. First, open Roblox Studio and choose a classic baseplate. Import the JTOH Tower Creation Kit, preferably version 5.3 or newer, from the toolbox. Next, drag the music module into Server Script Service and the effects GUI into Starter GUI. Crucially, navigate to Game Settings, then Avatar, and select R6 for your avatar type to prevent common issues. Now let's integrate the core scripts. Place the damage event script into replicated storage and the collision group script into Server Script Service. The touch script belongs in starter character scripts, and the local part script along with the player module goes into starter player scripts. You can then customize elements like music ID or adjust platform movement increments, perhaps to 1 stud or even half a stud, for unique gameplay. After setting up, always test your tower extensively to catch any issues early. A common problem with pushing platforms is broken weld constraints, so verify these are correctly applied. For visual consistency, turn off global shadows and set your ambient lighting to 127, 127, 127. These steps will help ensure your JTOH tower is polished and ready for players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.